In this lecture we will explore the visual adjustments extensions that we have for VS Code. I have a simple project opened and let us first blow the icon themes that we get on the extensions view. So I will go to our extensions view in the search for icons and sort them by the installation numbers. And this way we can see what are the most popular icon themes, and the first one that appears is the VS Code icons, and let's look how our icons look. Now take a look. Now let's install this extension. And as soon as I have had installed it, I will need to select one icon themes. I would select VS Code icons, and as you can see all our folders and files have nice icons, and they are different for each type of folder. If we look, there is one type of icon for this folder, one for our node modules, one for our C, the app, the assets, everything is very nice. Let's explore this a little more. And as you can see all these nice icons, let's create one file and illustrate this better. So in this view, let me just make it even more bigger for you to see in this view. If we have, for example, indexed stored HTML, all very simple. No problem. Let's see how I look. Like that. But if we have a test file for as it now looks like this. Also for TypeScript it looks like this. Very interesting. Also for example Java or class or CBD. You can take your time to explore this. My favorite is the pug icon. Very nice. Attention to details. So this was the icon themes extension. You can check other themes. They are all great. The material icon or the file I'll call icons. They are all very powerful and nice. This is just a matter of preference. Let's now explore the visual themes that we have, and instead of icons our search for themes. And this search will also find icons. No problem. And as you can see the most popular visual theme for V is called these Wonder Pro. I can install it just for you to see how it looks like. We can also see it here in this preview, but I will show it to you here, and as soon as I install it, I also need to select it from the comment palette. And this is how it looks like. One important aspect when you're choosing a theme, you might want to open multiple files. I have a TypeScript file open. Let me open also a HTML file. Put them side by side. Close the Explorer. And now search for themes. I will search for preference color theme. And this way I can go through our themes and see the preview on different files. This is very nice and helps me preview our theme before I select it. For me, I like to just stick with the default Dark Plus theme. Other popular themes are the material theme or the item one or the monarchy theme. You can search if you have a favorite theme from other editors. For me it's the Obsidian theme, which I use, and not a bad plus. I really like it. I can also use it for the S code. So for icon themes or visual themes you have a lot of options, and it is just a matter of preference.